Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a product spotlight looking at the world of MÜHLE. Well, is it mule, mule, mula, mule? How do you say this name first off? I've heard on good authority from a German friend of mine, it's pronounced MÜHLE. Like lots of MÜHLE, but the price isn't so MÜHLE. It's actually very economical and a mid-priced selection. MÜHLE comes from Germany, and it has its roots all the way back into 1945 with Otto Johannes Müller. And he started this brush company right after World War II ended. You know, there's lots of ups and downs in the company history. I think 9 years later, there was a fire. And then a few years after that, you know, he got out of it and his sons bought it, or son bought it from him, or, inherited it, whatever. And now it's on the third generation. And the company is bigger and better than ever. They really started with their pedigree of making brushes, but I think most wet shavers really know them for their razors now. And the razors really started back around 2005 of getting more into the hardware side. And they've had lots of different beautiful offerings for their razors. We actually just used one of the R89s on set this morning. There's also the famous R41, supposed to be a really aggressive razor, only for experienced wet shavers. But they have the beautiful Roca series. These are really super elegant and beautiful looking. I think they're very classy, very German looking, if you know German culture or style. And of course, they even now have the companion series where these are supposed to be more of a unisex offering, something that you can maybe hang in the shower, a little bit longer handle. You can reach and get down to the bottom of your ankle if you're shaving your legs. Whatever you choose, MÜHLE is going to offer, I think, a high quality experience, and I think it's a great price point. They're handsomely packaged. This is our first order we've just put in with them to start stocking the line. I'm sure as time goes, we'll kind of expand the offerings and get some more SKUs and different models and selections. And I shaved this morning. It was really nice. I felt that I think I was using the R89 Grande. I used this guy this morning. I thought for sure maybe it was the same as Edwin Jagger, but it's not. It did have a different shaving experience. It was a little more mild than an Edwin Jagger. I did like the real big stout handle, and of course it's definitely a looker, a very beautiful neural pattern on that. And I was mentioning earlier on the video that I'm going to have to bring back the famous R41. Everyone said it's the most aggressive razor on the market. It's just a potato peeler, but that doesn't scare me. I'll give it a shot. But definitely a very popular razor. So if you're looking for a new safety razor, if you want a German classic, if you want something high quality, if you want something that's beautiful and elegant, choose MÜHLE and say it right for sure. Don't say mule. It's not mule. And enjoy your shave. We'll have to bring these back for some more, but that's all I got. If you've tried a MÜHLE, if you own a MÜHLE, if you now know how to say MÜHLE, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you. And that's all I got. Matt Pisarcik signing out from Razor Emporium for all things wet shaving. Thanks, guys.